Delhi High Court has pulled up the Delhi government over the non-payment of civic body workers' salaries. High Court asked that putting full-page ads in such difficult times but not paying the salary of employees, isn't it a crime? Delhi High Court pulls up the Delhi government over non-payment of dues. The Delhi High Court says when full-page government ads are possible, why aren't salaries being paid to the workers of the civic body? So the court asked Delhi government to immediately disperse the salaries of the civic body workers. The court has pulled up the Delhi government for ignoring this issue while focusing on spending money on full-page ads in newspapers. Meenakshi joining us on the phone line. Meenakshi, there's an interesting parallel drawn by the Delhi High Court over the issue of non-payment of dues to the civic body workers in Delhi.
Well, absolutely. The Delhi government has come in for slamming at the hands of the Delhi High Court, where the High Court wonders as to how these full-page advertisements of ministers of the Delhi government are brought about. But when it comes to the clearance of salaries and the areas of MCD employees, the government is found to be so lacking in that regard. So the High Court went on to observe, and I quote, isn't it a crime that you're spending money on advertising even in such difficult times? If you pay these employees on time, then you can earn a lot more name, unquote. So very terse observations coming in from the Honorable Delhi High Court pertaining to the issue of non-payment of salary and pension to MCD employees, particularly on time. And this is something which we have seen play out in the past as well, but there is no conclusive logical conclusion that this matter attains. And oftentimes we find it being litigated before the High Court. But today's reprimand of the Delhi government is something that should bring acute embarrassment to the Delhi government. Because the High Court is clearly drawing a parallel between these full-page advertisements that are brought about by the government instead of focusing more on clearing these outstanding salaries of the MCD employees.